Ancient civilizations were far more advanced than we often give them credit for. They developed engineering marvels, medical techniques, and scientific tools that still baffle researchers today. Some of these technologies were so ahead of their time that they rival or even surpass modern inventions. From mysterious devices to lost construction techniques, history is filled with evidence of incredible ancient knowledge. Were these innovations the result of pure human ingenuity, or did they have help from unknown sources? In this video, we will explore ancient technologies that defied the limits of their time and changed the way we see history. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating discoveries. 1. The Antikythera mechanism, the first analog computer. Discovered in a shipwreck off the coast of Greece, the Antikythera mechanism is one of the most mysterious ancient devices ever found. Dating back to around 100 BCE, this intricate system of gears and dials was used to predict astronomical events with incredible accuracy. Scientists believe it was an ancient analog computer, centuries ahead of its time. Its complexity suggests that the Greeks had a deep understanding of mechanical engineering. The question remains, was this the only device of its kind, or were there more lost to history? Its discovery has reshaped our understanding of ancient technological capabilities. 2. Roman concrete. Stronger than modern concrete. The Romans built structures that have withstood the test of time, from the Pantheon to aqueducts, still standing today. Their secret? A special type of concrete that grows stronger over time. Unlike modern concrete, which deteriorates within a few decades, Roman concrete contains volcanic ash that reacts with seawater to reinforce its structure. Scientists have been studying its formula in hopes of recreating its durability. If rediscovered, it could revolutionize modern construction and make buildings last for centuries. How did the Romans develop such an advanced material? And why was its formula lost for so long? 3. The Baghdad battery, an ancient electrical device. In the 1930s, archaeologists uncovered a strange clay jar near Baghdad, Iraq. Inside, they found a copper cylinder and an iron rod, leading some to believe it was an ancient battery. If filled with an acidic liquid like vinegar, it could generate a small electrical charge. Some researchers suggest it may have been used for electroplating gold onto objects. However, skeptics argue that there is no definitive proof of its purpose. Could ancient civilizations have harnessed electricity long before Benjamin Franklin's experiments? The mystery of the Baghdad battery continues to fuel debates among historians and scientists. 4. The Great Pyramid of Giza, an engineering marvel. The Great Pyramid is one of the most astonishing architectural achievements in history. Built over 4,500 years ago, it remains a mystery how the massive limestone blocks were transported and arranged with such precision. Some theories suggest the use of advanced tools or lost construction techniques that we have yet to uncover. The pyramid's alignment with celestial bodies also hints at deep astronomical knowledge. Despite centuries of research, no definitive explanation exists for how it was built. Did the ancient Egyptians possess technology that has since been lost to time? 5. Viking Ulfbert swords, ahead of medieval weaponry. Viking warriors wielded swords known as Ulfbert, which were far superior to other weapons of their time. These swords were made with high carbon steel, a technique not widely used in Europe until centuries later. The metal was purified to an extraordinary level, making the sword stronger, sharper, and more flexible. How the Vikings achieved this level of metallurgy remains a mystery. Some theories suggest they may have learned the technique from traders in the Middle East or Asia. The Ulfbert swords challenge our understanding of medieval craftsmanship and technological diffusion. 6. The Ajanta Caves, ancient Indian rock-cut engineering. Hidden in the hills of India, the Ajanta Caves are a breathtaking example of ancient craftsmanship. These caves, carved directly into the rock, contain intricate sculptures and paintings that have survived for over 2,000 years. What is even more remarkable is how they were built using only chisels and hammers. The precision of the architecture suggests advanced knowledge of engineering and mathematics. Some of the cave paintings even depict complex human emotions and shading techniques. How did ancient artisans achieve such artistic and architectural mastery without modern tools? 7. Ancient Greek fire, the mysterious naval weapon. Greek fire was a fearsome weapon used by the Byzantine Empire to destroy enemy ships. It was an incendiary liquid that could burn even on water, making it nearly impossible to extinguish. The exact formula was a closely guarded secret and has been lost to history. Some believe it contained petroleum, quicklime, and sulfur, but no one has been able to recreate it successfully. Greek fire gave the Byzantines a massive advantage in naval battles, striking fear into their enemies. If rediscovered, it could provide new insights into ancient chemistry and warfare. 8. The Nazca Lines. Precision without modern tools. The Nazca Lines in Peru are massive geoglyphs etched into the desert, depicting animals, plants, and geometric shapes. Created over 2,000 years ago, these designs can only be fully seen from the air. The precision and scale of the lines raised many questions about how the Nazca people created them without aerial perspective. Some theories suggest they used simple surveying techniques, while others propose more advanced methods. Were these lines meant for religious purposes, astronomical observations, or something else entirely? The mystery of the Nazca Lines continues to intrigue researchers and historians. 9. The Lycurgus Cup. Nanotechnology in ancient Rome. The Lycurgus Cup is an ancient Roman artifact made of dichroic glass, which changes color depending on the light. It appears green in normal light, but glows red when illuminated from behind. Modern scientists discovered that this effect is due to nanoparticles of gold and silver embedded in the glass. This level of nanotechnology was not officially understood until the 20th century. How did Roman artisans achieve such an advanced scientific technique? The Lycurgus Cup suggests that ancient civilizations had knowledge of materials far beyond what was previously believed. 10. The future of ancient technology discoveries. With new archaeological discoveries being made every year, who knows what lost technologies may still be out there? From hidden tombs to underwater ruins, history continues to surprise us. Scientists are using modern tools like AI and satellite imaging to uncover secrets buried for centuries. Some believe that ancient knowledge could still revolutionize modern science, medicine, and engineering. If we can learn from the past, it may even help us build a more advanced future. What other ancient technologies are waiting to be rediscovered? 11. Damascus steel, the lost art of unbreakable blades. Damascus steel was used to create some of the sharpest and strongest swords in history. These blades, known for their wavy patterns, were incredibly durable and could cut through other metals with ease. The exact technique used to forge them remains a mystery, as the knowledge was lost around the 18th century. Some believe that the steel contained nanostructures that made it stronger than typical iron. Modern metallurgists have tried to replicate the process, but none have been able to fully recreate the legendary strength of Damascus steel. Did ancient blacksmiths possess knowledge of materials that we have yet to rediscover? 12. The Sun Temples of Egypt, harnessing solar energy. The ancient Egyptians built temples that were aligned with the movements of the sun, suggesting a deep understanding of solar energy. Some theories suggest they may have even used polished metal or mirrors to direct sunlight into dark temple chambers. The most famous example is the Abu Simbel Temple, where the sun illuminates the statues inside only on specific dates of the year. Could the Egyptians have used these techniques for more than just religious purposes? Their ability to control and manipulate light remains an impressive achievement that challenges modern perceptions of ancient science. 13. The Shroud of Turin, a fabric with unknown properties. The Shroud of Turin is one of the most mysterious ancient artifacts ever discovered. Believed by some to be the burial cloth of Jesus Christ, it contains a faint image of a human figure. What makes it truly baffling is the technique used to imprint the image. Scientists have been unable to determine how the image was created, as no known medieval or ancient process could produce such a detailed three-dimensional effect. Some theories suggest it was created using an unknown chemical process, while others propose supernatural explanations. Is the Shroud of Turin evidence of lost knowledge or something beyond our understanding? Ancient civilizations were more advanced than we once thought, and their technologies continue to challenge modern understanding. From lost engineering techniques to mysterious artifacts, history is filled with secrets waiting to be uncovered. As we continue to study these ancient innovations, we may unlock knowledge that could reshape the future. What do you think? Were ancient civilizations more advanced than we realize? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing discoveries from the past.